Kahinyo Trap Border Dispute Redressal Forum HBDRF hadin ka jingyo ibo menteri rangba ka jela ukondrat kes sangma bot menteri rangba ka jela Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ha ka jingïakren penbetput kila shimya karai ban lejngo ya ka Khanduli bat Psiar Sector ha ka khat South Risau arjar arpulai kala khot penlong ya ka jingyalang mirjing bot ha Mentong District Library Jowai ha ka balai shim bentalang da ki noyalam seng balang ki noyalam snong ki doloi ki riu pau khmat ki pat ba ka than khaput bat ki wei Uba chanda me sungo chairman ulaong bakum ki pajba ki noilam baper ki deban tip shai halor ka nikakam but kim sungo ya hapru ban penbet shwa ya ka Khanduli bat Psiar Sector namar nadu usnam khat khandai spa sanpuai hakapor badang don bat ka jala Assam ru kam don kata ka Khanduli bat Psiar Sector hinrei ka mat bala jingïakren borbor ka debet na ka banta ban pynphai biang ya ka block 1 bat block 2 sa jala Meghalaya Halor ka notification khat khandai spa san phuai ula kadno ba ka de ka jingle jubor ka sarkar Assam bat kinong le kli shri ha ka ne ka notification de chatra singh teron bat ka sita bonili khongman ka MLA na Shillong women seat ka ba de ka jaj ban riu karbi ka ba long ru ka dukhat ha ka boundary commission ha ka tai ka por ka jingyalang kala shim ya ka rai ban pen kre ki jing tho ban ai jing mot bat ban ya kandu ru yo menteri rangba bat yo sembut menteri rangba uba snyau barang dhar ubolong ru chairman ka regional committee pen betput na West Janda Hills district
Kalong halor kimat kiba kongsan kumbang ini jing tip kat kum jing kren jong ki archive minister hagini ke jing elang ka badang sudep mo ki ong balada kumno hapo ka durka puja le jurip ye gini ki snong ki badon haga jing ya ka jiapot ka balong ban penbe no yuput usam pedeng gini ki arjalah tenegaliang jongi kum ki pajba pat kum gino yalam sing bhalang bopher ngidei ban ye tip ban ye shai halor kan ni kam te mentang ile khot pelong ye ni jing yalang ba ka jing tip ka ba ngi yo bat ha ka jing ye kendu jongi hi pat chief minister ladangam klet ha ka arp hendu turik jong banai Julai ladap ye kendu chief minister bat ngahiru ngalabu jing keli yo chief minister dala de mar khmat nga ong ba kat kum jing tip bengi ngiyo ngi pa ni song snong jong ka labang nang thlut pangam raliang ngiyo ba kandon kata ka Khanduli ba kata ka Psiar Sector on ekran swai ka Khanduli ba ka Psiar Sector hadin nang ta on se ekran ka block 1 yu chief minister lu jubab la ngi baro ong ba kam don kum kata we bali ekran on ekran lang da baro tang ba ka sarkar ya mentahi kat mentah sedin nyimpat yo ka ege jing tip na ka sarkar da ka ba shai da ka bi tip pa ba lang rai kala don ka jing tip ka bengi yo ba on let jurip shwai ka Khanduli ba ka Psiar Sector te ka ne ka pen iba kami desu kat kum jing kred yung chief minister hanga hangi bat ya ka ni ka kam ka ba ka sarkar ka kale te na kaliang jung hi kum ka forum bat ki parlok sing halang bopher bat ki pai nong snong jong ila kala bang nang phelut bat ye bat ki negiri orang ba nyim sngau ya hap ya kene ke jing thmu jong sarkar ban pen bech wai ka Khanduli bat ka Psiar Sector ngile yo ka khubor mo ba ka sarkar Assam ga ka sarkar Meghalaya kan ye kun teng e ban transfer biang ka block 1 bat block 2 spo Meghalaya te halor kene Meghalaya njungi kumbang ga jingïakren barbor minde kiri persa sarkar ngi trelang rangkar ba ka sarkar hendre ka basnya si galong ba yo balek si ka sarkar kam lek pat kat kum ki jingïakren ki chongka leni kam lek pat kat kum ka hok ka bangi de ban yo halor kata te halor kani ka kam transfer kani kade ka wei ka kalat ka babhatam ya ka sarkar ba ka ban pen sukru ya ka sarkar bakan yo biang gini ke jaka marban pendep setang ya ka transfer pi ba ka notification 5 November 1957 Kabalawan na ka Tribal Area Department jong ka sarkar Assam balong balong secretary daw tokin armbay ula direct ini ki hakatu ga notification la tho shai ban re-examine ban jurib no ya ka ban transfer te ga ne notification ka wan lang hi bot for block 1 and block 2 tang ba ya ka block 1 la deble starting la lasdang na du ka khat new February khat khandai spa sampai upra na umbasu kila lek de ka kejat bagi khot kata ground demarcation mo ka bang tip tin pareng te kini ki tim jong gi Artali District Council United ka Charmi Hills but United Khasi Janda Hills kila ai ke report, kila penbiang ke report, kila draw ye ke maps, kila ai kerting chnong kerting thab details baro kat kum bala mention haga tag notification. But kila ye story agreement mari transfer no ya ke blok 1 cepo Meghalaya. Te kata ka kuping don hadu mentah. Jadi ke sarkar ka ying bai hagani kapan suksi pun ken. Naei keren naei thau chu kita regional committee ye. Re dawa bai ye kata ka. Ya kata ka baladep survey labiang. To khandiat ngan panchai mo. Tang bagan ni ke survey ka khandai spa san pukra ka bagi ladep le kam de ye ke block 1 baro ko not for the whole block 1 but only for the border for the areas of the boundary of the ilaka labang nang palut kata ka de 1958 te ngi dawa bani transfer bank ke block 1 baro ko behi namar baga de ka bental ni ka ri ke jongi uput usam jonga hima centia jongi nu pasda tang ba khandiat kum ni ngan keren ban expect san pheu ban pan lai pheu te kamlong ban yo san pheu ngi de ban pan chispa tang ba lada kum no ru kat uput usam jong ka elaka labang nang phalut ngim de ban du no lada ngi du no daleling hun ban jaw ka snam ru ngim salia lada de ban yaw ru ni.
We have organized a joint meeting, which include the 4 doloi of the area located in the Jante Hills, which include all the NGOs who are in Jante Hills, and prominent members, elder members who have a very vast knowledge about the history of our border with the Karbi Anglong, and with the headmen and village heads of this border area also. We have organized one meeting today, and the objective of the meeting is very simple: to ensure that the Block 1, Block 2 is being retransferred back to Meghalaya. And this demand is that we have made is based on legal points and the right of the people of Jante Hills. Taken a decision to straight away reject any attempt of the regional committee or the state government to address the Psiar and the Khanduli sector alone. Our stand has been very clear. Block 1 and Block 2 has to be discussed in toto. And Psiar and Khanduli is part of Block 1. So therefore, as per information that we have received, there is an attempt from the government side to talk only Psiar and Khanduli. And if this is true, then we would like to put before the government that we are totally against it. We will not support the government on such decision taken. Number 3, today the few of the headmen Doloi also have informed us that they have not been included into fully in the discussion held in the regional committee. They have been used just as postmen to bring documents, to submit documents. But while discussing what is to be done, they have been left out. So we see that the functioning of this regional committee is somehow not going on the right path. Like we have always made a statement, village head Doloi has to be fully involved in all discussion and decision taken by the regional committee, which is not so as per the report that we have heard today. And the 4th decision is that we will again write to the government on our stand, and to make it again and again we have written, but this time also we'll have to do it again, because as per the news we have heard that maybe the government will be moving on a fast track now to settle down this second phase. So before all those decisions is arrived at, we want to make a very, very strong, firm point to the government.
Andy, your wife has been sitting there. She has been ready for a while now. Go for the test.
I'm already watching the test, Mom.
Son, it is important to take this test at the earliest.
Mom, why do we need to rush? What will happen even if we're late to take the test?
Look, son. You see, that is why it is important to reach on time. Go.
Within the first 3 months of pregnancy, it is important for the mother to get tested for HIV in order to prevent the baby from getting infected with HIV, so that the mother and the baby can live a healthy and long life.
Earlier the checkup.
Healthy life confirmed.
Get yourself tested for HIV during your first pregnancy checkup.